If there are any complications when setting up the Wi-Fi connection of the connectivity module and no connection can be established even after several attempts and the correct entry of the SSID and password, it is advisable to reset the connectivity module completely to the factory settings and start the process from the beginning. It is required that the Wi-Fi has sufficient signal strength at the installation location. I show this here using the example of a micro leakage protection product which has an active connection to the internet. However, the process is identical for all devices with a connectivity module. We open the housing, remove the connectivity module, and see that three LEDs are currently lit. The orange LED indicates that we have communication with the device control, which means the connectivity module is properly connected. The permanently red LED indicates that we have established a stable Wi-Fi connection to the local network. The permanently green LED indicates that we have a connection to the JUDO server and the device can therefore be controlled remotely using the smartphone and the U-Control app. If the red LED only flashes, the device cannot connect to the local network and cannot establish a connection to the JUDO server. We can completely reset the connectivity module to start the data entry process from the beginning to avoid typing errors or other complications. Use a paper clip or a SIM card pin to press into the opening next to the LAN socket for at least 10 seconds. My first attempt did not work because I had not pressed the button properly. After the successful second attempt, we see that all three LEDs switch off, which means we are back in factory mode and startup sequence. After a few seconds, the orange LED is the first to flash, signaling that communication with the device controller is being established. After the orange LED, the red LED starts to flash, indicating that an ad hoc Wi-Fi is available and that a connectivity module can be set up again in the usual way. All previously entered data has been deleted and the module is back in its delivery state. We can now see that the orange LED is permanently lit and the red and green LEDs are flashing. The flashing green LED indicates an attempt to establish a connection to the JUDO server, which is of course not possible without an internet connection via Wi-Fi or LAN.